In today's volatile economic climate, organizations are tightening budgets, scrutinizing IT spending, and delaying major infrastructure projects. But amid all the uncertainty, there's one area that remains mission-critical and too often overlooked: backup and recovery. Because when times are tough, downtime is even more expensive. Recovery failures can delay operations. Aging tape systems with their slow speeds, labor-intensive management, and high risk of restore failure no longer make sense. Modernizing your backup process isn't just about keeping up with technology. It's a strategic move to protect operations, free up resources, and reduce long-term costs. That's where LaserVault ViTL comes in. ViTL offers a straightforward, strategic, and cost-effective upgrade that delivers immediate value. By replacing aging tape systems with reliable, virtual backup fast without disrupting your current IBM I environment. ViTL can be installed and operational within hours with minimal disruption. You can use any of the IBM I Go Save commands to perform backups to ViTL. ViTL leverages disk-based virtual tape to significantly reduce backup windows and accelerate restore times. Supports standard restore library and restore object operations. Fully compatible with BRMS and native IBM I Save, Restore commands, ViTL integrates into your existing infrastructure. No physical media means no tape mounting, no operator handling, and no risk of unreadable tapes. Organizations see ROI on day one by reducing backup durations, simplifying recovery tasks, and minimizing manual processes. By eliminating physical tape dependencies, ViTL reduces the risk of restore failures, ensuring reliable recovery operations during critical events. ViTL enables incremental modernization without altering existing BRMS configurations, an ideal early-stage project delivering faster results. For more information on LaserVault ViTL and how it can benefit your organization, contact us at info@laservault.com. Let's talk about how ViTL can support your IBM I environment without complicating your backup process.